Dear young learners, I invite you to attend my class. During the third phase of COVID-19, actually we are detached, both teachers and students are detached from classroom activities. So I invite you to attend my class today. I am going to talk about a very important topic, that is filling up blanks with phrases and idioms. At first, I would like to tell you something about the definition of phrase. A phrase is the unit of meaning. A unit of meaning. Actually, phrase refers to some unit of meanings, and you very often fail to understand it. Say for instance, to speak ill of, crocodile tears. Skin throw. Dot dot. There are some phrases like this, and today I'm not talking about such type of phrases. The phrases that I would like to stress on are really some technical phrases. And what are the phrases? Technical phrases are, say for instance, to be born, so that later on in order to dot dot. And these are essential for question number 3, or the question that you are going to take into account is this year's. This is a short syllabus, and this will be question number 2. You have to know about the uses of these phrases. Say for instance, I am to talk about to be born. That is, in Bangla, you can easily say Janma Grahan Kora. And this is absolutely in most cases past event. In most cases, this is used as past event. And the structure is subject plus was or were born plus in plus time or place plus dot. you can use this very simple structure. Say for instance, I was born in Shanghai. Look at this structure. I, this is the subject, was born, that is to be born. To be born. This is the structural element in, and this is place. You can say in the same way, that is another example. Nazrul was born in 1899. I can underline, and this is time, the year. Another example with a very important clue. These two are used in singular form, but you can say many poets were born in Bangladesh. That is subject to be born in, and that is place, and that is subject. Dear learner, I believe and I think that you have understood. And what may be the sample of questions in your question paper? Exercise, that is Rabindranath Tagore is a great poet. He dash in Kolkata. That is, you have to use here was born. Okay, now come on to the second use of technical phrase. So that in Bangla it is like this. Jate oblique jahate. Its use is that this structure or this phrase is used in complex sentence. Used in complex sentence. Used in a complex sentence. used before a clause of aim oblique target, and you can show the structure: subject plus verb plus noun oblique adjective oblique adverb plus subject plus subject plus can oblique could plus V1 plus delta. Here V1 means basic form of verb or present form of verb, and there is a matter of can and could. If this verb is in present form, then you have to use can, and if this verb is in past form, you have to use could. So, dear learners, I'm going to give you some examples. I work hard so that I can earn much. Look at this word. This is the present form. So I used can. Now come to the second question. Second example. They went to Dhaka so that they could visit the zoo. Look at this. Here I used could, and because the main verb is in past form, and this clause, the clause occurs so that is clause of aim or target. In Bangla, this is called Uddeshobachak clause. And I'm giving you sample questions, usually selected in board question. English is helpful for good jobs and better salaries. Students should try sincerely dash they can learn English. So, dear learners, you can easily understand you have to use here so that you see the same type of verbal form, that is so that. This is how we can go on with the mission of learning the technical phrases and idioms. Now I am going to show you another structure. Now I would like to show you the use of had better. In Bangla, the meaning is borong bhalo. This is the exact Bengali meaning. Then how can you structureize this? Structureize this. This very simple phrase. Subject plus had better plus V1 plus delta. That is, you have no option to do, so better to do. This sense is shown by this structure. You had better go ahead. You had better give up smoking. So, I've underlined this phrase in 2 sentences. Now I'm giving you a sample question of the board question. You can't get, or you can very good English, you can't achieve pass marks without reading text, without reading textbooks. So you had better or you can miss this, you dash read to get certificate. You get a certificate. So dear young learners, you can easily realize that you have to use had better. My dear learners, I am at the end of today's class, and English is absolutely for you a very important subject, and you can't pass ACC exam without learning English. So don't waste your time in the pandemic time of COVID. So study seriously and follow my next classes. Thank you very much. Namaste.